A very good morning to Puan Rohaya and my fellow classmates. Today, I'm going to presenting about one of the principles of insurance, which is utmost good faith, also known as Uberima Fights. This presentation is divided into three parts. Utmost good faith is all parties to an insurance contract must deal in good faith, making full declaration of all material facts in insurance proposal. What is material facts? Material facts is a fact may enhance the level of risk are called material facts. Utmost good faith is a higher degree of honesty is imposed on both parties to an insurance contract than is imposed on parties to other contracts. It is supported by three legal doctrines, which is representation, concealment, and warranty. First one, representation. Representation are the statements made by the insured on the insurance proposal form or application. Many of these representations are responses to questions to determine whether the applicant is insurable and whether the insurance company can cover the risk. An insurance contract is voidable by the insured if any representation is known to be false by the client. For example, if the policyholder did not disclose that they had a previous claim, conviction, or cover restriction, it will be voidable. Related to mispresentation. It is the failure to disclose the material information. However, before an insurance, for an example of concealment, the insurer knew that the fact was important in regard to insurance being applied, and there was an intention to defer. So basically, representation and concealment is quite same. Representation is something they did unintentionally, and concealment. Mispresentation and concealment are common strategies used by people with higher risk and lead to adverse selection by insurance companies, which in return raise. The third one is a warranty. Warranty is a promise by the insurance applicant to do certain things or to satisfy certain requirements, or it is a statement of fact that is attested by the insurance applicant. The warranties become part of the insurance contract. If the insurer breaches the warranty, the insurer can void the contract and deny payment of a claim. An affirmative warranty is a statement of a fact, which is basically the same as representation, while a promissory warranty is a promise to do something or that something will be done in a specific way. An express warranty is specifically stated in the contract, while an implied warranty is one that is assumed. Let's look at a video of an explanation and an example of principle of utmost good faith.